You will need pumpkin seeds and sunflower, vegetable or olive oil. First, wash and drain your pumpkin seeds. Next, go through the seeds and remove any leftover stringy bits. Lightly oil a baking tray. I used a bit too much, you probably only need half the amount I used here. Add a thin layer of the pumpkin seeds on your tray and again pick out any stringy bits. Spread the seeds around the tray, coating them with the oil and, if using, any other seasonings or spices. Bake in a 180 degrees Celsius preheated oven for 10 minutes or until the seeds start to turn golden. Halfway through cooking, give the seeds a quick stir, then return to the oven. Once cooked, leave to cool thoroughly on the tray. Store the pumpkin seeds in an airtight container. They can be enjoyed as a snack, breakfast or yogurt topping. Thanks for watching.